Hi everyone, I'm Karen and I'm going to show you guys some basic knife technique. So when holding a knife, I've seen it held like this, I've seen it held like this. You really want to hold up with your thumb on one side and then your fingers kind of wrap around the other side, and they call it choking up. So if you want control, you're choking up this way, not like this. So we're going to hold our knife in our dominant hand, then our other hand, we really want to protect these fingers, right? So everything away from the knife. So you kind of start out doing a bear claw, and I'll show that with this onion here. So this is round. We want to create a flat surface first. And just to start, usually when you are making cuts, you want to put the nose or the tip of the knife really on the cutting board, right? And these fingers, you're going to make a claw, and you're going to tuck your thumb. And when you are chopping or slicing, you never want to raise your knife higher than where your knuckles are, right? Because if I do that, look where I'm gonna slice my fingers off. So if I'm always leaving the tip of the knife on the cutting board, like it's stuck there with glue, and I do this motion here, kind of like a wave, where the tip of the knife stays on the cutting board, and I'm only raising it to make the cuts, and I'm not raising it past where my knuckles are, your finger should be fairly safe. All right, so here we have this onion. I'm gonna make a flat surface. So I'm just gonna start like that, and then we call this a bridge. So like the knife is under the bridge. So I'm gonna steady my hands like this and cut straight down. All right, so I'll start by showing a slice, and here we have our bear claw, right? And our knife goes here, and we make our slice, right? Those are our slices. And then if we want to do a dice, then what we're going to do is we're going to cut sort of down from the root. The root keeps the onion intact. And again, you always dig the nose in and then down.